What's up, YouTube? We are back with another one, and today we are doing as you can see in the title, because I don't know what this called. I just made it, and I think I lost the package. I got it from Aldi's. Anyway, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. If you're new, make sure you click the bell. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. We're lit over here. Just join the family. Go ahead. You're entered. You're in. Like, come on, now, it's that easy. So make sure you guys stay tuned for more, and let's dig right in because I'm hungry. I haven't eaten in a while. We got some guava mango punch, and I'm gonna be trying this out. I got some butter sauce right here for my corn because I don't like putting the corn on there. I like to dip it just to, got some great news for you guys today. I'm so excited. Let's take a few sips and get right in. This is good. Make sure you guys check this out. Guava mango punch is where it's at. Yeah. So let's get right into this corn. See how it's doing. So today, well, not today, but the other day I started school, and I love it. Since if you guys are new and you don't know what school I'm talking about, I joined Columbia College. I'm a student at Columbia College. And we have classes online, and they're like so fun. I like this butter sauce. I'm gonna put some on here. Basically, I have a lot of shrimp, honestly, like a shrimp pasta dish. But yeah. That's what I was saying. I started college. My first class I attended was Chicago Film History. He was a really cool teacher, like, and then all of the students, we just got along so well. It was like, oh hi. I was like, oh hi. I was in it. I was like happy. I don't know. It's just a new experience. Once you are a freshman and you're meeting new people, it's like so exciting. Like, dang, she could end up being my friend, or he can end up being my friend for a while, or This is like the first impression. You have to smile. You have to show that you're in it. Live, smile. Give up a nice, positive first impression. Like, nobody want to see you all. Yes. Oh, what are we doing? Are you sure? Okay, I'll get it in next week. Bye. Like, nobody want to be like that. I mean, trust me, it's exhausting, but you ain't gotta be so crazy with it either. Be nice. You meet new people. Especially if they're gonna be splitting us up into new groups and stuff, and I don't know who I'm getting split up with. It's a surprise, so I don't want to get split up with somebody that's just don't want to do nothing, or that's just boring or not in it. I need somebody that's in it, that's happy, that's, and literally my group, they're in it. Like, they're just so happy and bubbly. Like, it's so fun. I just love school, honestly. Through all the ups and downs, I know that I will go through a lot during school, and I know I will fail. I will have my ups and downs, but I'm going to stay until the end. I don't care. I will try my hardest so I can make sure that I get my stuff complete. I even want to get on campus next year or next semester. Like, I have to stay focused. I want to be a great film writer. I want to, oh my God. Today our class was, today my class was writing and rhetoric, and I had an extra class was, what was it? Was it creative writing? It was like a journalism class, like it was like a creative writing class, basically. I don't know the name of it by heart, but today I met so many new people, and they were so sweet. I mean, we had a smaller class today compared to the other day when I had joined the live, but it was like, I don't know, it was so fun. I don't think I've ever been in a class that's so that didn't cause disruption, that were immature. Like, it was just, the maturity levels were perfect. The happiness and the talking and the everything was just amazing. I thank everyone for supporting me and pushing me to be able to get into this school, because I'm very happy that I'm in a nice place like that. When you burp like that, that's how you know the food good. I got more vegetables than anything. That is good, y'all. It's so good, y'all. I was doing my thumbnail. mm. But yeah, like throughout my high school years, I met a lot of fun people. Like they were still fun, and they was just something I'm used to. But it was like very draining. Like it just seemed like the same thing. I wasn't able to learn much because a lot of people were in the class that were like disruptive, and they used to like do things and make the class longer, or we end up getting behind, and it's too much going on in the Chicago public school. And then especially the last year, we barely like did anything, and then it just boom, coronavirus, and we just all not together anymore, and we weren't even learning anything because on e-learning they weren't doing anything. They were just saying, since we're seniors, we basically graduated already, you can do a couple more classes, or you could do some more assignments to boost your grades. Like it was just like that. It was like no learning. I want to be able to fail and get back up. I want to be able to go through something in school. I don't like to just work being so easy. Boom, I'm done. Hi, he, here you go. A, like, I wanna experience the hard life. Like I'm going to go through it, but I need to start now so I can prepare myself for the world. You get me? Oh my God. What's the seasoning I use? I just use the seasoning to season the corn, but I love the seasoning on like the stuff that I'm eating on, especially on the shrimp. In the comment section, let me know how y'all first day with school was. I'm sure it was fun. A lot of people were disappointed about going back to school, and a lot of people just wanted to lay in bed and relax, of course, the usual. But you gotta get your education, take advantage of it while you can, because you don't know what's happening, especially with just everything just falling out of place like this. You never know what can happen. The first 3 teachers I met so far were amazing. Like, amazing. I'll tell y'all. The first teacher was kind of like laid back, sort of. He was talking, but He was like laid back. I mean, and like he was just talking. He wasn't really like giving us a chance to introduce ourselves or stuff like that. He just got right in, and I understand because it's like a history class, so history we got to start and get it going, especially with the time that we have in this semester. No, and the second teacher, he was super fun. Like, he had my favorite animal, if y'all don't know, it's a cat. I love cats. He had my favorite animal, but after a while, he started to lag and stuff, and he was like, "All right, y'all, I'll just email you in case you guys need anything else." Cause it was like, I think to the end of the class, like I think 20 minutes more left, and he began to lag and stuff. So I'm sorry, y'all. I'm going crazy. It's so good. Um, I want to inform you guys that NBA 2K21, literally the best game out right now. Yeah. The build I made this year. Ooh, God dang. The build I made this year was a scoring machine. And I made it whereas he's able to get 20 finishing badges, 20 shooting badges. No, he gets 27. He gets 21 finishing badges, 27 shooting badges, and 10 playmaking badges. Only thing is, he only get one defensive badge. I know, y'all know, I'm used to defense, so I had made another build, and he's a center build, so. My center build is just a dominant in the paint type build. He's not a shooter. He's not really like a dunk on people type build. He can be, but when I get his badges, maybe. But he's mainly like grabbing boards, sticking defense, that type of build. Let's get this last corn. I was looking good up. Corn so juicy. I was wondering who I was just looking at. It's my little brother. Well, he went back into the play 2K21. Make sure he was done with all his homework. I'm gonna play about corn, y'all. I gets down on the corn. Stop running. Last but not least, I'm typing up a TV show. Well, not a TV show, because I'm already still typing up a TV show. But I just started, like, I think last month, I started typing up a movie. Like, oh my God. It's gonna be a really good movie. I can't. It's like a based on a true story type movie, and I can't really like tell y'all because you know I ain't even done with the movie yet. Now we see the trailer. Maybe in a few years. Nah, not in a few years. I know I'm gonna get that photo. That's so good. Yeah, that was good. How many calories is you? Because I ain't got time to be working off all these calories. They be trying to get you. Come on. I used to think that this right here, like when it say 90 calories, I used to think that the whole entire juice is 90 calories. Did it focus? Yep. I used to think literally the whole entire thing was 90 calories. I used to be so like, oh my God, like I used to be big because of it. I used to think that, oh, it's just 90 calories. They say you need 1,000 or 2,000 or something a day. Well, what would 90 calories do if I drank this whole thing of juice? And I didn't know that you had to go by servings. You're supposed to go by servings. I went by what I saw on the carton, and what I saw on the bag of chips, and what I saw in the menu of McDonald's, and what I saw anywhere that I go and eat. It just literally went over my head. I did not know at all until now. But that's it for today's video, because at this point I'm just licking. I gotta finish my homework anyway. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, turn on the post notifications, hit that bell for me. And I'm sorry I haven't been here for a while. I was getting prepared for school. School was starting. I had to make sure I was ready and prepared, and now I'm good. So if I'm available, I'll be shooting some more videos for you guys. But until then, deuces.